Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Allure Beauty Box. I'm pretty sure it's $15 a month. Skincare, beauty care, makeup, blah, 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 blah. Allure has been doing pretty good. I've been pretty impressed with them. Last couple boxes, not so much, but still really good for a $15 box. Let's see, what's new? There is a giveaway going on. I have mentioned this already, but I'll mention it again. If you guys could help me get to 3K before the end of June, I will add a fourth winner. So I just wanted to put that out there. Help me grow, help me grow, help me grow. I would love to be able to add a fourth winner to the shenanigans of the 3K giveaway, so please help me grow. Let's see what else is new. Anything else? There's other information down there if you're interested. There's nothing else that's really new. I do have a little bit of an update video that I'm going to do. I'm not sure when it'll go up, but it will. Okay, so let's get into Allure. So I open it up and this is what I see. And the booklet does tell you what everything costs, full size. And again, this is what I see. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is this Allure Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser. Anyway, there is that, and it's just a sample size. The full size looks more like a tube like this, and it retails for $12.99. Let's see. Amethyst, Glycolic, Lactic, and True Unicorn Root. I don't know what that is. I mean, I'd like to think unicorns exist, but anyway, moving on. The next thing, I am pulling out is by Curology, and it is Smooth Sailing. And the full size of this retails for $19.95, and this is a moisturizer. If moisturizing is so simple, why are there 7 million different options? And why do they use so many words? What am I replenishing exactly? Okay, so the texture hovers somewhere between whipped cream and Jello. That's interesting. I don't know how I feel about putting Jello on my face, but I don't know. I think I will give this a try. Interesting. And I told you that retails for $20. Okay. Let's see. The next thing I am pulling out, it's not really the next thing. I'm actually digging to the bottom of the box to get to it, but it's on this page, so. The next thing I am pulling out is Glamour Base Sheet Mask. Glamour Base, and it's a sheet mask. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It retails for $7. Let's see, when you're feeling dried out or dull, this mask is the perfect little wake-up call. In addition to hyaluronic acid, it has collagen and peptides, so skin is left hydrated, bouncy, and ready for makeup. Cool. You know, I'm always down for new face masks. Love them. Love them, love them, love them. So the next thing I'm pulling out is by AHC, and it is an essential real eye cream for face. Essential real eye cream for face. Hold on. Okay, so it's an eye cream that you can use all over the face. They say it's revolutionary, blah, 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 blah. I'll give it a try. I'll see how I like it. It's new. I don't know. I think that like the under eye, I think is a little bit different than the rest of your face. So I'm interested to see how well that works, or if I like the feeling of it, or if it feels too greasy or what have you, because generally the eye creams that I wear are a little bit greasier or more plumping, I guess. It stays tacky or wet longer than the face creams that I wear. So I don't know how that would translate for a face and an eye cream, but we'll see. That retails for $28.99. The full size does. And the full size, this must be the full size because that's the picture. So this must be a full size. That's cool. The next thing I am pulling out is my Daily Dose of Glow Illuminating and Brightening Skin Ink. So say Skin Ink Bar. So that's what that looks like. So Skin Ink, my Daily Dose of Glow, and this retails for $65. Let's open it because the packaging looks gorgeous. Like from this picture. Oh, that's pretty. I actually thought it was going to be more pink, but if you can see, there are little pink and blue crystals in there, or not crystals, but little balls that might be, I don't know, like a little boost of radiance or whatnot. I'm sure this explains it. Let's see. So it says it's dotted with colorful encapsulated molecules of moisturizing hyaluronic acid. So that's cool. That's what those are. I'm definitely going to keep this. First of all, I think the packaging is absolutely gorgeous, but keeping it. Actually really excited to try that. I don't know, something about the little balls in there excite me. Oh, that sounded dirty. And the last thing I am pulling out is a Vdl Primer. Okay, so I don't know if this is new or not, but this is saying that I could have received this or the Anastasia Brow Gel. And if I'm being honest, I love, love, love the Anastasia Brow Gel, and I cannot get enough of them. I would have much rather had that. It's just my go-to. But let's see, what is this? This is a primer. Yeah, I would much rather have liked the Brow Gel, and I'll just pass this along. There's a lot of skincare in this box this month. I would have preferred to be a little more of a mix of makeup and skincare, but and that's what the packaging looks like. I'm pretty sure I've actually gotten this in a box and given it away. So anyway, that is Allure. I don't think it was a bad box at all. I think that I'm going to get use out of the face mask. I'm going to get use out of this. I'm definitely going to get use out of this because I'm interested. I will probably go ahead and just get rid of, I mean, this is a lot of skincare in here, you guys. And as you guys know, I already have a skincare problem. So I'm trying not to hold on to things that I don't think that I'm not going to use. I would much rather somebody else get use out of them. So I think that I will go ahead and pass this along and probably even this. But I think that that's a good box. I don't know. I'm actually really excited about this. I don't know why. Those little dots just, I guess they kind of remind me of Dippin' Dots. And so maybe that's why I'm a little giddy over it. I don't know. Not that I can eat the stuff, but it is what it is. That was Allure, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope it took you out of whatever you're going through for the day and you could relax a little bit with me. I have a bunch of videos that I need to bang out today. So see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.